What's going on, guys? I am so freaking excited for today. We're at PBIR for the second time for the US Drift Circuit event, and one second, I gotta take this call. Hello, Ryan speaking. Yeah? I'm in? Yeah, I'm here. Dude, can't thank you enough. Alright, I'll see you in a minute. I have a surprise for you guys, but unfortunately, you're gonna have to wait. The video just got so much better thanks to US Drift Circuit. They are simply the best to work with when it comes to social media, when it comes to getting the video out, getting the pictures out that I did, a couple of them that I did for the last event. This is gonna be a whole different ball game on a whole bunch of different levels for this video. So I really hope you guys enjoy what's about to go down, and I think we're gonna have a ton of fun. This is gonna be a much, much better video, and you're going to find out why later on, thanks to US Drift Circuit. Thanks to US Drift Circuit once again. You guys are the best. All right, peace. You guys like this vest? This is pretty good. Can you guess what the surprise is? I got a media pass for tonight's event. So I'm so stoked. Thank you, Chris at US Drift Circuit. Simply the best guy ever for helping me get the media pass done. I really wanted to get it since I have a couple buddies that take photos for the event, and they also, I noticed the last event, they happened to be in the middle of the track. I'm like, hey, that's pretty cool. Let me see if I can do the same. So we got it done. I'm gonna bring you guys down the line of cars right now who just showed up or who are getting set up. It's a little drizzly, rainy-ish, but we should be good. Dude, no, I don't think you know how much my inner child is like peaking right now. Like, what the so fucking sick. Yo, rip another. Dude. Fucking so
I was like, damn, if I could get it out to the wall where those photographers are, that would be sick. I was like, oh, too much. I'm just gonna go for it. I'm gonna clip this phone.
That was a fucking awesome save though. Holy shit.